Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're gonna prepare the nose for welding on the car. If you are new to the channel, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Today is the day we're gonna weld the nose back on. Maybe you also noticed this one is white epoxy. Now I just have a gray epoxy, that's all. Before we weld the nose back on, I wanna test fit it for a last time. I have seen that I have to take off these to put the hood back on. So you have to screw this off and put it on my new one. I already have 4 holes, one here, one on top and also on the other side to fix it back on the car. And I'm gonna put the hood back on, put the fenders on and check it for the last time before I'm welding. I have put everything back on the car, the hood, the fenders, the doors, to be 100% sure that everything fits great and it's okay, everything fits. I'm gonna take everything back off and we're gonna prepare the nose for the welding. All the parts are back off, so the next thing will be marking where my spot welds are everywhere, so I can take it to bare metal and spray zinc spray between it. So guys, it's to bare metal everywhere I have to weld. Also, I forgot to mention, I have put some extra screws into it, but you still can do this while it's fixed to the car and welding, that it stays in position. Same for here, everywhere zinc spray where it's bare metal. And don't forget to make everything straight before you weld everything on. So we're gonna spray it in zinc spray everywhere where it's needed. Don't spray it too thick, a little layer is good enough. If the bare metal is gone, it's okay. Same for the nose, degrease it, paint it in zinc spray and let's fix it back to the car.
Yeah, I don't believe in destiny, I just do what's best for me. Don't listen to my enemies, they're just full of jealousy. Yeah, this legacy, you gon' see what's left of me. You gon' see success in me, you ain't seen the rest of me. I just wanna be the best at what I know, better than the rest, just watch me grow. Put me to the test and watch me go. This is my quest, I'ma make it known. They call me obsessive, oh I know. Call me selective with my notes, call me aggressive with my flow. Call me offensive even though Joe, I ain't gonna lie, life's tough. Try to get by, life's rough. Try to do it right, it's not enough. Even though you try, you still mess up. But I'm still gonna fight for what I love. Still gonna die for what I love. Still gonna try, I won't give up. Still gonna fight until I've won. They say I'm way too obsessed and I've got nothing left. And I'm not quite there yet, but those words they'll regret. Cause I've got something left and I'm not giving in. I will not let them win, I won't stop till the end, no. Some injuries, mentally and physically. Studied them religiously, so I don't repeat history. And people won't admit to me, they don't want a victory. Bad enough to get a C, they'd rather just go leave it be. I know, this journey, I've been on since 13. Working hard and learning, never stopping searching. Yeah, it's burning, all this passion hurts me. I took action working, writing down these words. No, I'm not okay, I just wanna be something. I don't wanna be nothing, living all alone. No, I'm not alright, I'm just barely getting by. But I'll tell you I'm just fine, so you leave me alone. They say I'm way too obsessed and I've got nothing left. And I'm not quite there yet, but those words they'll regret. Cause I've got something left and I'm not giving in. I will not let them win, I won't stop till the end, no.
So guys, the nose is back on it, it's welded, it's painted in epoxy for protection. The next thing will be some sealer in the corners if it's dry. But for today I'm very happy with the result. So see you next time guys, ciao!